I studied for an exam, crammed every fact into my head, and 2 days later, poof, half of it was gone. This isn't laziness. It's not getting old. It's my brain deliberately deleting data, like an overzealous hard drive cleaner. The weird part? It thinks it's doing me a favor. So why would your brain throw away information you worked so hard to store? Let's break it down. Imagine your brain as a massive library, but with no librarian. New books, your memories, keep arriving every second. The problem? Shelf space is limited. So the brain hires a brutal memory bouncer called the hippocampus. Its job? Decide which memories are VIPs and which get tossed into the dumpster out back. Here's the twist. It doesn't keep what's important to reality, it keeps what's important to you. A random joke from a friend might stick for years, but the name of the guy who fixed your Wi-Fi last week? Gone by Tuesday. Why? Because your brain isn't built to be a perfect archive. It's built for survival. Storing everything would slow decision-making and overload your mental RAM. So it keeps what it thinks will help you predict the future and wipes the rest. After finally understanding that your brain forgets to protect you, I started wondering, how does it actually pick which memories to keep? Turns out there's a secret ranking system. Memories with strong emotions, fear, joy, embarrassment, get bumped to the top of the list. Why? Because emotional moments act like highlighters for your neurons. But boring, repetitive details? They're like unmarked pages, easy to skip over. And here's the wild part. Every time you recall a memory, you're actually rewriting it. Like opening a Word doc, making edits, and hitting save. Each time you remember, the memory either gets stronger or it gets corrupted, until it's unrecognizable. So the brain's memory game isn't remember or forget. It's reinforce or replace. So the next time you blank on a fact, it's not because your brain betrayed you. It's because it's making room for something it thinks you'll need more. But here's the bigger question. If your brain can erase memories, can it also create false ones? The answer is way more unsettling than you think, and it might make you question some of your most precious moments.